Bayan,
number 8. Okay, sailboat number 8. Amo el champion na primer hit diato. Okay, sila ay man standby ilan join na grand.
Wow! Balas din, no? Kay Crown Investment Holdings Incorporated, ayaw menta también. Another 5,000 pesos na first place.
Una, quiero decir 50,000 niya.
Na todo, no? And first place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place. Ayaw menta de 5,000 pesos.
So, quiero decir 50 milya, no? 50,000 pesos siya.
So, saan ang daan sa papunta doon?
Lakad na kayo.
Si President Edwin Galvez. Okay.
Alright, maraming salamat. Kung mag-Kenya komenta, no?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Zamboanga City, the sardines capital of the Philippines, known as the Asia's Latin City. Experience its vibrant cultural heritage, beautiful beaches, stunning coastal views, all while exploring its rich history and warm hospitality. Whether you're here for adventure, food, or heritage, Zamboanga City promises an unforgettable experience.
Ricky, kina-champion ulit, or kanadani Ladla. So, es el mga puwersa teams. Diyato na kina-regata, na diyato sailboat race. Kita man sponsor, el diyato gobyerno lokal, kita kabasa si Mayor Quimero Lasso, and of course, through the office of the City Tourism, kita kabasa si Ma'am Sarita Sebastian. Otra vez el mga Quinta Quiaura, managlalig kita Els, dong, ang konsehal Bong Atilano, nakita namin el diyato Sports Star, del City Sports Division Office, no? Si Ma'am Cecil Atilano, si Ma'am Dulce Amor Miramita del CXO, of course si Fancy Ramos, que otro, hoy si Mayor, si